Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinker Hunt. So let's get cracking. Alright everybody, so right now I am on the HLModTech.com website. This is the Tinkercad tab, and right here are the Tinker Hunts. There will be a Tinker Hunt 7 listed here soon. This is a quick way that you can find all of them if you're hunting for them. I do also have a playlist, so you can find it there, but I just wanted you to know how to find them. This is Tinker Hunt 7 that you will be opening in just a few minutes. Once again, you're trying to find a jack-o'-lantern, you're trying to find Blanky, you're trying to find a rocket, the celebrating kid with the HLMT t-shirt, and the unicorn dude. Friends, these are all tutorials I've created. If you want to check the links below, you can actually find the tutorials and make your own. Now, your job during this project is to search for the awesome items. You can do it by clicking F and going in and zooming in and looking at them. I want to highlight that tree because it was an awesome creation by one of my students named Bianca. She created that awesome tree using our code blocks lesson, and I thought I would add it in here as well. We've also added some winter things. You've got an igloo in here, which is another one of my awesome lessons. There's also, of course, the fun snowman as we try and transition towards a wintry scene. Once again, friends, don't forget you can hit F to zoom in. You can hit Control H to hide. You can hit Control Shift H to bring everything back. If you ever zoom in too far, like if I zoom in on this bed, when you want to come back out, all you have to do is hit home and you are back at the main view, so you can keep searching for the 5 items. Friends, don't forget the challenge of this game is to solve it by adding a comment on my YouTube channel telling me where you found all 5 of them. You can describe their location by the house's color or the house numbers or the streets. You can also tell me the floor that you found them on. If you do solve it correctly, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. This week was fantastic. We had correct solutions from Luke, Jackson, Jacob, and Tavian, and also we had a fantastic visit from Mr. Brune's classroom. Thank you all for participating, and hopefully this week we have even more people join in. Alright friends, so there it is, Tinker Hunt 7. Once again, there is a link in the description if you ever want to check the directions. You can just click on the notes. If you want your notes out of the way, you can simply hit that button. Finally friends, I hope you have a ton of fun searching, and don't forget there'll be a brand new one next Sunday as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.